Welcome back to another session. Alberto here. We're trading futures Nasdaq on NinjaTrader 8. Market is about to open in 5 minutes. And as of right now, the overnight session is looking pretty balanced. We've pretty much been ranging in a 40-point range and staying above VWAP for the most part. So as of right now, it's pretty much trending to the upside, although cumulative delta is pretty much flat, pretty close to delta neutral. We're only 500 contracts above it. As of news, we had US initial jobless claims at 8:30 Eastern time. Brought some movement. We had this push down to retest VWAP and then pretty much came back up to the top of the range. Let's see what happens at the open. So right now I'm going to be paying a lot of attention to value areas. Potential expectation is a push, a bounce off of the top of the range and continue long. The other hypothesis would be we come back to retest yesterday's point of control. Let's see what happens once we open. All right, market just opened a few seconds ago. We had a slight break and retest of the top of the range and a nice push to the upside to clear our prior swing level. Fortunately, missed out on the entry. Looks like we're trying to push back into the value area and this consolidation zone. Let's see if we can continue long or we stay back inside the range. So right now cumulative delta isn't really pushing down too much. We're over 1,000 contracts long. We just cleared the open. Let's see if we get back into value area high of yesterday and VWAP approaching the one deviation of the VWAP right now and current value area high. I get a retest of the 400 level. Nice push off of value area high. Cumulative delta is starting to push to the upside. Retesting the 400s. Bouncing off of value area high and standard deviation of the VWAP. Expecting price to go all the way down to retest value area high of yesterday and VWAP 2. There we go. The idea here was looking at the 400 level. Price went there almost to a tick. We had a prior small swing level and the breakout right there. I was expecting price to come retest it and continue down, and it played out very nicely. we used as targets value area high of yesterday and VWAP, potentially expecting price to bounce off of it now, which seems like it's happening, and continue in the direction of the trend. Expecting some potential chop around this area. VWAP holding. So we're breaking through. There's that pending auction over there from 832. Profile pretty balanced right now. Expecting price potentially come all the way down to the bottom of the value area. You start looking at balanced profiles, you see that in many cases the price comes through, gets into the value area, retests it, and then continues and crosses all the way to the other side of the value area. I'm going to take the short here. We had an imbalance with a pending auction bouncing off of the bottom of the range of that consolidation. The expectation here is we're coming back into the point of control, potentially bottom of the current value area. And we had that imbalance short with a pending auction almost bouncing to the takeoff of VWAP. We had here, to me, what I had marked was that prior range right here. Price tried to break through, came back inside that range, and then we pretty much started to trying to push away from it, and eventually we have that pending auction with imbalance pushing away from the bottom of the range, We have cumulative delta trending to the downside now. Price is also trending down. We're getting back into the value area of a balanced profile. So pretty much what this is telling me is this is potentially going all the way down to retest point of control and potentially all the way down to the bottom of the value area. We're approaching now the bottom value area. Some buyers coming in now. Expecting some chop around this area with the point of control. Looks like we're actually getting back into VWAP. Price pretty much came to the tick almost of the value bottom of the current value area. One tick away. Nice push now to the upside, retesting VWAP, potentially continuing down. We might have some chop now around this area. I think that's gonna be good for me for today. Two wins, no losses. I don't want to give anything back to the markets. With that being said, feel free to subscribe if you find value in these videos. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about my entries. We also have a Discord channel. Check the link in the description. It's completely free. Other than that, thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.